I have learned something from my friend Art Cambridge, something I didn't even know. Did you know there are different types of life insurance? And I tell you, I don't care if you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, life insurance is a great idea. And you know who can help you? Cambridge Financial Services. Art, we were talking last time and you started listing life insurances. I thought there was one. There's a variety and you can help people find what's best for them?
Of course. You're dealing with like people that want to protect the mortgage on their home. Normally you're looking at term insurance. Term insurance has no cash value. You buy it for a particular period of time. When that time is up, your insurance is gone and you have no value. You can buy them in all different types of increments. You can buy them in a 10-year level, 15-year level, 20-year level, and let's say you have a 30-year loan on your house, you can buy a 30-year policy that will guarantee your premium for a full 30 years or whatever period of time you elect. Then you have whole life insurance. Whole life insurance will be much more expensive. It will actually have cash value, and actually at age 100, if you keep it that long normally, or live that long, it will endow itself. And then you have UL, Universal Life. Universal Life normally is a combination of term and whole life. What do I mean by that? You can adjust your premiums. Like I did one earlier this week for $100,000, and he wanted the minimum premium. And I told him, okay, you're 51 years old. At 80, this policy is going to lapse because you have not paid enough money into this policy. Now, if you want this policy to last till age 100 or 125, here are the premiums that you need to pay. Now, I normally don't look at advising people to build a ton of cash value in a policy, because when you're young, buying a house, raising children, you don't have the cash to do those things. But a UL policy will help them, because then once they get 65 years old and their term policy has lapsed because their house is paid for and they maybe want some more insurance, they don't have to go out and pay a huge price. They can just recalculate the current policy that they have. I unfortunately used term insurance the whole time that I needed life insurance. I still have term insurance today. I won't tell you how huge my premiums are, but I happen to be able to afford to pay them. So my wife says, if you die, I want to have that $1 million. So, there you go.
So if somebody comes in, depending on what age range they're in, if they're single, if they're a couple, if they have kids, and then what, 30s, 40s, 50s, you can guide them in the right direction, what the best policy for them is. And what I like about you is you're a straight talker. You're very frank with people.
And they're ideal with all of the big companies and many of the little companies. So when we're looking for a term quote, we just go online and they're all listed there. We put in the particular information and it will give us 8 or 10 different quotes from 10 different companies. And I have some that are more favorite than others. And the reason for that is their customer service is much easier to deal with. Just like any other business today, some people have forgot about customer service.
Yeah. And what's great about you is you're here. You're in the area, you're local, you can help the people here. If somebody wants more information about the services you offer and finding that exact right life insurance policy that's going to fit their needs and their family's needs, what's the best way to get in touch with you?
They can call me on the phone, 417-869-1300. Go to my website. They can come in and make an appointment. We'll sit down and visit with them. Sometimes I have to put together some things and do a little research. Because I'm not a bing, bang, boom, this product's going to fit for you. I want to make sure it's exactly what they need.
That's what I like about you, Art. You're a straight shooter. And if you think something is too complex to understand, come in and talk to him. Talk to somebody who's here locally. You don't have to talk to automated phone lines or talk to somebody in another state or in another country. They're going to be right here to help you. Art, thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.